back to my channel. It's your girl Savvie coming back at you with another video. Welcome back, you guys. So today we are going to be cooking a pasta, and let me show you guys which pasta we are going to be making. This one is called one pot lemon garlic shrimp pasta. So that's what we're going to be making today on the latest episode of Cooking with Savvie. Okay, so let me show you guys really fast what we're gonna cook. This is the one pot lemon garlic shrimp pasta. Okay, so let's just get right into this. Okay, you guys. So I didn't want this video to be like long and drawn out. So what I did was I had already cooked the pasta, so literally like while I was setting up for the video and everything, I had the pasta cooking so it could be cooked by the time I actually just start the video. Okay, so right now I have just an empty pot back there and it's basically preheating. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna get all of this stuff ready, and I'm gonna actually move the camera over there so you guys can actually see it better. But the ingredients that you're gonna need minced garlic. Of course, you're gonna need your linguine noodles. You're gonna need butter. You're gonna need dried oregano, lemons for your lemon juice, black pepper, parmesan cheese, crushed red peppers, the red pepper flakes. You're gonna need spinach, baby spinach or regular spinach, it really doesn't matter. And you're gonna need some parsley, fresh parsley or whatever. This is fresh dried parsley in here. And you're gonna need shrimp, and I have the shrimp over there. They're in the water right now. I have to thaw them out. So now I'm just gonna hold on, let me see. It's gonna say that we need to add butter. So now that I told you guys that I already did the noodles. So now we're gonna go over there and we're gonna put our olive oil and our butter in there, and we're just gonna do that. Okay, so hold on. Okay, you guys are not gonna be able to see me all that good in this video. I just want to show you guys how to cook it, so you guys are not really gonna see my face until probably the end when I eat. So we're gonna start off with about 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then we're gonna use about a stick of butter and let that cook. I'm just bringing everything over here. So while we're letting that cook down, cloves of garlic, but since I'm going to be using this garlic and not cut it up like fresh cloves of garlic, I'm just going to use about like 2 of these, 2 tablespoons of garlic. we're gonna add our red pepper flakes, and we're gonna use 1 teaspoon. One teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Now we're gonna add our shrimp. You're gonna add your raw shrimp. And you're gonna add your pepper, black pepper. And you can add it for, I'm not gonna say like add 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, and add your salt, because you can really just add it for taste, like what's best for you. So for the salt and pepper, do what you like. We're just gonna let that cook down just a little bit, and then I'm gonna continue on with the rest of the stuff. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna add our dried oregano, and we're gonna use okay, you guys, so now we're gonna do our dried oregano, and we're gonna use 1 teaspoon. So we're just gonna put that in there. And now we're gonna add in our spinach. This is fresh spinach. So you're gonna add about maybe 3 or 4 cups. So I'm gonna just let it cook down a little bit, and I'll be back. Okay, now that we've let that cook down a little bit, we're gonna add in our pasta. A little bit more spinach because I want more spinach in there. And now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of parsley. You're gonna take your 2 tablespoons of parsley and put it in there. Next, you're gonna take your Parmesan cheese. You're gonna take 1/4 of Parmesan cheese. No, that's 1/3. Let's see. Right here. Woo. That one's big. So you're gonna take your 1/4 Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna add just a little bit more. So you can add that should be good. And this is your grated Parmesan cheese you're gonna add in there. Give it a little stir. It smells really good. It looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna keep letting that cook down just a little bit more, and I'm gonna add just a little bit more butter. Just a little bit. Lemon juice. And the reason why I do this, the reason why I do it this way is so the seeds can stay in my hand and not fall in there. So that's why I do it like that. Okay? If you do that, make sure you wash your hands before you squeeze that lemon juice in your hands. Oh my goodness, that's funny. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna let it cook just a little bit, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and I'll be right back. Guys, we're back. So this is really, really hot, but I have my bowl right here, and I'm just gonna give it a little mix. Okay. And I'm gonna put it in my bowl. It's really hot, you can see the steam. That is so good. I want the spinach, I want everything. I want everything. Let me get me some more shrimps. I'm just kidding. Some more shrimp. Let me put more shrimp in here. That is so bomb. It looks so bomb. It tastes so bomb. Oh my god. That looks so good. I want another shrimp. Okay, let me get my drink. Ow. Got me. Boo boo. That watermelon Red Bull. Y'all need to try that. If y'all haven't tried that yet, I'm putting y'all on, okay? If you haven't had it yet, you need to get it. I love Red Bull. I haven't had one in a long time though, because I have to detox a little bit. That shit was making my heart like boom, boom, boom. It was making my eye twitch and stuff. I had to lay off of them for a little bit. But this is, oh no, hold up. Now y'all know how I feel about the juices being on the side of the bowl. I don't play that. Anyways, let's bring this over here so you guys can see. Look how good that looks. Thumbnail. Anyways, that looks so good. So let's just try this. And actually, I just want to take a quick little picture real quick so I can post on Instagram. If you're not following me, go follow your girl at Savvie Young. Okay, go follow me right now. Matter of fact, stop the video. Stop the video. Go get on Instagram. Go to the search bar and type in SAVVIEYOUNG and press the follow button. Okay, so y'all can stay up to date. Watch my stories, because that's where it all goes down at on the daily. But anyways, let me take a little picture real fast so I can post this on Instagram. So cute. Let me just make it real fast. Hold on. Y'all gonna be like, if this girl don't hurry up. No, for real, this is the real deal. Because I was actually, the thing is, if the thing about it is I was actually putting it on my story, so people that follow me on Instagram see everything on my story first before they actually even see it on YouTube. So that's why I said you guys might as well just go follow me on my Instagram right now, and that's just that on that. But let's just try this out real quick. I know it's gonna be hot. Oh yeah, that's good. Baby. Oh yes. Cooking with Savvie is going. This is so wow. Oh my god. Yeah. This it right here. This it right here, y'all. This it right here, y'all. Yo. Your girl be cooking. Your girl be cooking. This is actually real, real good. This is so bomb. Anyway. Oh my god. Y'all, I'ma leave a recipe in the description box below. So if y'all decide to try this out, I want y'all to comment below and tell me like how it turned out. Was it good? Did y'all like it? Was it easy to make? Was it, you know, tell me if y'all add y'all little extra little spices on there, like y'all little twists. You know, everybody cook as a different type of way, so let me know if y'all, you know, tweak the recipe up a little bit, you know. This is good. The whole bowl almost gone, but anyways. Y'all, I love food. I love to eat. I just love, I love everything. I love everything about food. I'm a big foodie. Anyways, so when I see something good, especially like online, I'm gonna be like, yo, let me see if I can make that. Let me see if I can try that. Let me see what's up, you know? And I'll be so happy when I actually like, when I make it and I actually like pull it off and it's actually like good. I'll be like, Chef Savvie, hey, what's up? Top chef in this mug. Anyways, okay. So, now that we got through this video, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, okay? You guys already know that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!